Family, you already know what it is. Chauncey, aka Ukarema, Great Man of God Media, with another vlog. Right now, I am in front of Betty T. Ferguson, and I'm going to show you guys that, as I mentioned before, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see some footage and some shots of me coaching my son's basketball team, which I'm a volunteer coach of. The age group is 7 and under, and this is their first year of basketball, and I'm coaching. This is also my first year of coaching, and I'm thoroughly enjoying coaching as a volunteer. So I'm going to show you guys what I do on the actual basketball court in terms of coaching and getting the kids ready and prepared. As you can see, my kids are in the back getting ready, and their family and their cousins are here. Say hello.
Hello.
As you can see, that's my youngest son right there. And my wife is tearing down a meal. So we're ready to go. And I'm going to show you guys, like I said, I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I do as a volunteer coach for the Miami Gardens 7U Tar Heels team. So I'll see you guys on the flip side. Son is actually wants me to carry him while I'm coaching. So this is what I have to do.
Sketchy.
It's all in the car. It's all in the car. Daddy's gonna get all of you guys a treat, a Slurpee. Okay, that plate wasn't bothering nobody. It was on my side. And you gotta put it back because it's a plate I have to take home. So why did you take it off of the side that you're not gonna even be nowhere near? Oh, okay. I wish you would try to throw my plate away.
Alright guys, we lost 8-6, but the team that beat us, they had more players. I couldn't sub any players out, but we still did a great job with the game. So I'll take that under any other circumstances because we had a great game. Elijah, my son, was able to score, play some great defense. My other son, my younger son, Isaiah, he played some great defense. So overall, the whole team itself was great. And again, we were up against more odds because their team had more players. They were able to sub out players. We weren't. We were undermanned, and we still did a great job, even though we lost 8-6. So it was a great game. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. All right, family. Next time, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Hopefully, we win our next game. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, Chauncey signing out.